Generosity Challenge, we were trying to figure out something that we could do as a group. Somebody had the idea to go to the Corkboard, which is on the Crossroads website, and it's like a place where you can post things that you need or things that you have to give away or want to barter services for. And that's where we found a family that was in a pretty desperate situation, and we decided that could be a place where we could help.
So we go to the house, and the children are literally sleeping on the floor. The parents are sleeping on a box spring. And so we pulled together and we were able to get them all beds. The mom is pregnant, and so there's a lot of needs that are upcoming. There was so much that we could help them with without even really giving a lot of money of our own. We had a lot of resources that they could use that we didn't really know that they could use.
The father has been working for a minimum wage and really struggling with gas prices, and it's not even, making enough to pay those prices. So being in HR, I was able to help him work on his resume and hopefully get him connected to get a position that'll allow him to make a little bit more money and get better health benefits for them.
And I actually work in the social services field, so I was able to work with the family and help them kind of connect the dots as far as paperwork with the county, possibly getting food stamps started, Medicaid, Medicare, things like that, things that they are entitled to that they weren't even aware that they were entitled to.
We didn't just go and drop things off. We, sat on the porch with them and played baseball and hung out, and I mean, it was great. These are, such a beautiful family, and we got to get to know them, and that has been, such an awesome thing.
Before the Generosity Challenge, I was one who always thought of all of these ideas and things that I could do to help, but it was one of those things that I put on the back burner. I'm living paycheck to paycheck. I don't have a bunch of extra money to give away, or I'm working, I gotta come home and take care of my house. I'm single, I live alone, and I don't have time. And going through this, I realized that it took me so little time to make such a big impact on this family, and I didn't spend a single dollar. It was just asking other people for anything extra, and now we've been able to bless this family with too much stuff.
For those of you who haven't visited Corkboard online, it's amazing, and you will see big needs, you will see small needs, and it's amazing. It can tie a community together to help one another.
I check Corkboard, okay, I'll just say once a day, sometimes more, but it's addicting, because when you can help somebody like that, I think it's good to feel needed and feel like, wow, I can really make a difference in someone's life just by going to the Corkboard. I mean, that's amazing. And when you can do that anytime you want, and it's just at your fingertips.
The family has an excess of stuff, and the family's already looking to start giving back and looking to find another family who could use the items that they have received as blessings and pass those on to other families that could possibly need them. So it's really neat for me to see it come full circle and to see this family already focus on, wanting to give back and help someone else.